Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Happy Meal. And this Happy Meal is from my husband, Deron. So I wanted to open it on camera again. He often surprises me. He shops on Amazon a lot, so a lot of times he goes over and gets a doll I want, or I tell him some things I want, and he buys them. So this big box came, and he said, "It's a Happy Meal for you." So we just got back from an exhausting but really fun 6 weeks of travel. We went to Florida driving. We drove to all of them by choice. We could have flown, but we like to drive. We talk and laugh and hand dance and sing and stop at the Walmarts looking for deals, stop at fabric stores because not all fabric stores are the same, and it's fun. We like to travel together, even if it's, how long is it to Florida? Well, 2 days when you...
18 hours of driving.
Yeah, I can't, oh, thank you. I can't sleep in the car. I get car sick, so I have to stop and walk around and, oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, look what I got. And as you can see, we're still on the Barbie movie high here. I've got my two girls standing here in their gingham. And I had gotten the redheaded looks Barbies. I absolutely love them. I wish I had gotten another one of the brown-eyed redheads. But I got one that I want to straighten the hair on. Oh, thank you. And now I have two other of the looks. Thank you, Deron. I'm really excited. Oh, and this is one I had asked for. He was, Deron went down to Florida on business. He oversaw the installation. What was it? You were supervising the installation of what?
I only did this for 6 weeks at 2 TV stations, transmitters.
Transmitters for TV stations down in Florida for the guy who he works for. So he had to, quite often, he had to put in orders for different parts and stuff. And he said, "Is there anything on Amazon you want?" Well, of course there is. Of course there is. So one day I asked for 3 things. Another redheaded Barbie, the green-eyed girl, the looks, because I want to straighten her hair. This cruisling doll, and this. Let me get him open. Oh my God, he's so cute. Let me move this. I used to have a large collection of Bigfoot. In South Dakota, before I had a Blythe doll, a Bigfoot, stuffed Bigfoot used to ride on my bicycle with me, and then I got a Yeti for the winter. Oh my God, I love him. Look at this guy. Oh my God, look at the feet. Oh, the feet. I love their feet. Let's see their hands. Oh, yes. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he is so cute, that face. I love it. On the way to Florida, if you've ever driven, there is a Bigfoot museum, of which we still haven't stopped. I was too exhausted. Just exhausted. Is it Tennessee or?
I think it's in Georgia, yeah.
And we didn't know how far off the highway
Could
it was.
be Tennessee. One of the two.
One of the two. Anyway, I believe, and like I said, I used to have, and I know somewhere in our move here, there is a tub that I have yet to open, storage tub, that I'm going to open, and it's going to have my big, do we call them big feet or Bigfoots? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Are you a believer? And subscribe.